आज मैं उठी हूँ और मेरा आज है ड्राइविंग लेसन। पहले मेरे मुंह से निकलेगा था कि आज मेरा ड्राइविंग टेस्ट है, नहीं मेरा ड्राइविंग लेसन है। और आज अभी मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ क्योंकि आज मेरे इंस्ट्रक्टर ने कहा है आज मैंने तुम्हारा ना वो फाइनल लेना है, तो उसके लिए क्या है कि भाई तुम्हारे साथ जो है ना वो एक दो को मैं बैठाऊंगी, वो तुम्हारे साथ एज अ मतलब के एग्जामिनर समझ लो तुम। मैं कहा ओके फाइन। सम टाइम आप बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं ना, इंसान को लगता है हाय क्या होना है क्या बनना है। इधर ड्राइविंग टेस्ट मसला फीसा गौरस है यार कसम से। यहाँ पे तो पाकिस्तान में होता है अन्य वाह, इधर उधर जहाँ मर्जी ठोको। हेलो
She's coming again now. What did you change?
I did nothing.
Something.
No nothing.
Something you went back for.
No, I did nothing. I just went to grab my keys.
Okay,
Walaikum
so,
assalam.
I can move my car forward. It's up on the motorway. Yeah, honestly, because nobody really want to go on motorway.
People feel hesitation.
Not like us, yeah. Hi, darling.
And you know, like smoothness of the, you know, because your feet are not used to it. What you do, look.
And sometimes you don't know how to maintain.
You have to learn.
You know when you got the gas pedal, you almost. We are away from Barcelona, right?
So you want to buy some what?
Huh?
But
So I didn't do that.
okay, I'm here.
Yeah, but you need to sit down comfortably, watch the TV. It's not like you are just gonna go there. I mean, listen.
In your garden. Let the lights in. She's sitting in the shower, isn't it?
I like this. Oh, this is a wallpaper. Did you see that? See?
आज मेरे इंस्ट्रक्टर ने अपने लिए वो ख़रीदना था फर्नीचर, तो मैं आज उसके साथ आई हूँ। जब आपको भी घर ख़रीदना हो ना तो आप लोग भी यहाँ पे आना, बहुत ही चीज़ें थी यहाँ पे। मैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ इनके साथ एग्जिटर। वो यहाँ पे फर्नीचर ख़रीद रहे थे और मैं जो है वो इधर उधर घूम रही थी। आज मेरे लिए ये खुशी थी कि मैंने ड्यूल कैरिज वे पे पहली दफ़ा जो है ना वो गाड़ी चलाई थी और मैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा ही एक्साइटमेंट फील कर रही थी, बहुत ज़्यादा। बहुत इतना बड़ा है ये स्टोर, ओ माय गॉड, मैं तो हैरान थी कहाँ आ गई हूँ। बहुत बड़ा है, मतलब किचन वगैरह बनवाना हो, अपने अपने सोफेस वगैरह रखने हो, ये बहुत एक्सपेंसिव भी बहुत है। मैं यहाँ बैठी हुई थी और मेरी जो इंस्ट्रक्टर है ना वो देख रही थी सारी चीज़ें। मुझे कहते हैं तुम भी ख़रीद लो, फिर वो कहते हैं नहीं पहले बंदा तलबो ना फिर ख़रीद लेना। वो है मेरी इंस्ट्रक्टर और ये मैं बैठी हूँ, क्या करे बंदा। मैं तो गाड़ी चलाने आई थी, मुझे कहती चलो आओ आज तुम्हें विदाउट एनी तुम्हें ले चलो।
Double shaded. And I was thinking how they did it. Look, it's normal clip from IKEA. Normal curve. Can you see? So basically,
You know where it can look nice on the Mariam room if it's a balcony door and outside, but the outside is very tiny. This effect wouldn't show because the door is so tiny. You have to have a bigger. But Fatima has the one with the garden, you know, if you want to put a.
let's pick up the number. Pick up that number after I have a write down. Let's go check here or check out. Let me see the boxes.
You want to come and see this again in case? Or not?
बहुत मज़े मज़े की चीज़ें थी यहाँ पे ना। मैंने कहा चलो, मैंने तो अपना लेसन ही लेना था ड्यूल कैरिजवे पे। मैंने कहा चलो यहाँ से ले आते हैं चीज़ें भी। एक अलमारी जो है वो इधर 80-80 हज़ार की पड़ी हुई है और हम पाकिस्तान में वैसे 30 हज़ार में बनवा ले यार सही बात है।
Look how much we can hide everything. Then you can just come here when you wash your things, you clean it here and you take it there to set it up. You will find it in a small room. That's what you can accommodate. A hell of a lot of things. Everything. Things, what we couldn't figure out. I don't know, this white is powder. Idea something like this because it doesn't look.
Green look. That's the one.
I think that you have to do it. It's just they do. It's just. Well, we'll see next time. Okay. And look, all the other stuff there. Have a look. It looks really actually can accommodate a lot. I like this area like that. Look, it looks so pretty.
It is
And my sink, my dream,
your dream.
my dream.
How much is this?
बंदा पकावेगा practically.
Look, our kitchen is stupid. We've got too many windows. But look, it looks lovely. I like the place like this.
You know, best choices for me.
You're not allowed.
It's for me. It's looking very nice.
Mother hardly make this little chicken and send her home.
Look, this one so small.
Mara की तरह चिकन के साथ पिचको जी तो है।
तो मेरी अम्मा ने मैंने इतना गाल देता है।
You don't have to lift the lid anymore. You just look from here. Well, it's not pointing.
और तेरी माँ दी।
Let's go. Let's go now.
तो मैं वीडियोस बनाने में बिज़ी थी और इधर से उसे और मेरा फ़ोन जो है ना वो गुम हो गया। अब मुझे इतनी टेंशन लगी हुई है और मुझे लगता है मेरी इंस्ट्रक्टर मेरे साथ मजाक कर रही है। तो अब मेरी इंस्ट्रक्टर भी गुम हो गई है और वो पता नहीं कितनी की। लुक एवरीथिंग इज सो नाइस हियर। बहुत मज़े मज़े की चीज़ें थी यहाँ पे। इसको मैं मारने में लगी थी। इसको ऐसे सीधा रख के ना ऐसे करके जैसे बच्चों के नहीं मारते, ऐसे रख के मारा।
So you can pick something that's not allowed. You want to put this stuff later?
Okay.
Sorry, it's so much fun. It's going to be shopping.
It's so nice,
What do you
really.
want to eat? morning, darling. What did you do now? Oh, have my mobile then. Yeah. Not sure. 0744 99 71 720. Not sure if it's activated. Just take them back again. The color of this coke. Like coke. Look at this. Try it. Look coconut. Look at the color of it.
No, it's a very bad. It's a very bad.
Ooh.
Okay, leave it. I will drink it.
Let's try something else. No. Raspberry. Better than the Coke, isn't it?
I will drink it. You can drink
No,
about
it's fine,
it.
doesn't matter. If you don't like it, you can put it whichever. So that's what you think about it.
Andrew said to me, if you leave money, do you think she'll take it? I went, no.
Where's the telephone?
There.
You gonna ketchup or anything? Or you have... I'll do it next time because I need more than this. I need 5.
You frequently visit here?
Don't sit down, but then if it's 2 of us, maybe you can put him one side, but 3 of us, well, we
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
sit as well.
Oh, it's so nice. IKEA, IKEA.
petrol checker, diesel checker.
Smell it, the whole bonnet exploded, you see?
Yeah,
So the driver inside, what, this,
it's blowed up as well.
हाँ तो की है वो गड्डी अपनी बस होगी
नहीं पे ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਡੀਜ਼ਲ ਇੰਜਨ ਜਾਂ ਪੈਟਰੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਰਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਲੋਕ ਚੈੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਇੰਜਨ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਇੰਜਨ ਕਿਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਆਇਆ ਗੱਡੀ ਦਾ ਇੰਜਨ ਹੀਟ
this
ਅਪ
way as well, look, they were waiting there, can you see?
Engine heat up हो गया.
We're lucky actually,
that's something
that we got this road in here. Or you can go all the way from here, look at this, they were waiting. Imagine we're stuck in here now,
you can never
they
make
don't know what's happened.
you can never make it in life.
I don't know why you just trying to be funny, but you have to slowly get used to, you know. Local down, come on.
He's that driving. You see the situation comes up like that, what he has to do. This is what he has to do.